In this video, we will learn how to change date format in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have some date here. Just select the date and you can see here the more formats. Click on this option. Click on the custom date and time option. You get here the custom date and time formats. You can see here the every format is here different. If I click this, you can see here the year, then month, and then day. If you click on day, month, and year, if you click on this, you can see day and month only. This one, month, day, and year. You can change as per your requirement. I just click on day, month, and year and apply it. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.